In today's video I'll show you how to zoom in on a video clip in Descript. To get started, I'm currently on my Descript dashboard, looking at my list of recent projects. When you're working with video editing, being able to zoom in on specific parts of your screen is an essential skill, especially for tutorials where you want your viewers to focus on small text or specific buttons. I'll go ahead and open up one of my existing projects from the recents list here to demonstrate this process. Now that the project is fully loaded and open, you can see the main Descript interface. We have the text script on the left side, the video preview canvas on the right, and the timeline down at the very bottom. To zoom in on a specific portion of the video, the first thing I need to do is make sure I have the actual video clip selected. I'll simply click directly onto the video in the preview canvas on the right side of the screen. You'll know it's selected when you see a purple border highlight appear all the way around the edge of the video clip. This lets Descript know exactly which layer we want to adjust. With the video layer actively selected, I'm going to navigate up to the top toolbar menu. Right above the video canvas, you'll see a percentage value that controls the scale or zoom level of the clip. Right now, it's set to 100%, which means it's showing the full, original size of the video. I'm going to click on that percentage dropdown and increase the value. For this demonstration, I'll select 300% to get a really nice, tight close-up. Notice how the video immediately scales up inside the canvas. Since we've zoomed in so much, the specific part of the screen I actually want to show might be out of frame or off-center. To fix this, I can easily pan around the video. All I have to do is click and hold on the video canvas, and then drag the video around to reposition it. I'll carefully move it around until I have the exact section I want perfectly framed within the boundaries of the canvas. This is a great way to highlight a specific menu or text box for your audience without losing video quality. And that's it, that's how you zoom in on a video clip in Descript.